We're so excited to have you here today because this product is amazing. It's a dual volume tape. It has more volume in one package of tape than any brand out there right now. So it will be quick and easy and super efficient on the go for you to be just on a rush on a busy day. And it's super fast, so you don't have to spend so many hours in the salon doing extensions. Ready for the review?
Yes.
Let's go.
Ooh, wow. Look at the volume. I totally see the difference from other brands that I use. This is like way too much volume.
Only
like,
2 packs.
Wow. It's amazing. It feels so light in the scalp, but like look at all this hair. I love it.